My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new adware that is actually the part of the adload family. This adware is called UnlimitedBolt. UnlimitedBolt is the adware that specifically attacks Mac computers. This adware is dangerous because it is often spread through integration with some free applications, and in many cases users just download and install it absolutely unintentionally. It may be also presented as some fake software or browser update alert, which makes this program absolutely illegal. If you have discovered this adware on your computer, you should not tolerate its presence. This adware may point you to many other deceptive pages. It may open random new browser tabs and eventually redirect you to many other malicious resources that may even infect your Mac computer even more dramatically. We recommend you to remove this adware immediately, so check your applications. When you find this UnlimitedBolt, right-click on it and move it to the trash. If you see any other suspicious programs here, don't hesitate to delete them. Finally, I recommend that you investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the program, and start investigating your system with its help to detect and delete other infections from your computer completely. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.